Both service and contemplation are essential. Doing and being, action and contemplation, work and prayer. One is not superior to the other. They are two lungs of the same spiritual life. We breathe both of them. The ideal disciple is one who combines active service with contemplative presence, who works tirelessly for God, but never forgets to sit quietly with God. My dear friends, Martha was doing the right thing. Mary was doing the best thing. Amen.